The Eusserthal Ecosystem Research Station of the University of Landau, EERES for short, investigates the effects of global change on the biodiversity of surface waters and their surroundings. Our research questions focus on the factors that impact biodiversity most strongly. Climate. How does climate change influence the dynamics of running waters? Does it affect the diversity of species in running waters and adjacent riparian zones? What role do changes in energy and nutrient flows play? Land use. What effects do different types of land use, such as agriculture, forestry or urban areas have? Do such habitat changes affect the diversity of animals and plants? Invasive species. In which cases do introduced or immigrant species change biodiversity? Do such changes alter important ecosystem functions, such as nutrient cycling in and around running waters? Resources. Can fish stocks and removal of fish from waters be managed in such a way that species retain their ability to adapt to environmental changes? How can genetic diversity be secured in the long term? Pollutants. How do constantly changing inputs of pollutants influence biodiversity? On top of impacting the composition of communities, do such changes affect ecosystem functions, such as the self-purification process of surface waters? Explore surface waters, understand relationships, protect biodiversity. EERES. Research for Nature.